Hi, having a good vacuum to keep your house and surroundings clean is absolutely essential. Due to that, there are dozens of trusted brands out there, and making the right decision is not so easy. The perfect choice highly depends on your needs and your situation. We spent more than 100 hours researching all the available vacuum cleaners in every category in order to create our top list to help you. You can check the products and their reviews if you click on the links in this description of this video. Watch our video and find your new vacuum easily.
Are you worn out after lugging a big, heavy vacuum as you clean your home? Dread the inevitable puff of dust you get each time you empty the dirt cup? Tired of getting your hands dirty while keeping the vacuum clean? What about remembering to wash the filters, then waiting for them to dry? The Oreck Magnesium RS is one of the lightest, full-powered upright vacuum cleaners ever made. Designed with ease of use in mind, it's made from an ultra-lightweight and ultra-durable magnesium alloy that's one of the lightest structural materials around. At less than 8 pounds, the Magnesium RS is the same weight as a gallon of milk. And with slim swivel turn-on-a-dime steering and a sleek lay-flat design, it's incredibly easy to glide around obstacles and even get under your lowest furniture. This incredible vacuum also features a superior 5-layer HEPA media filtration bag. This bag traps 99.97% of particles at 0.3 microns, capturing things like allergens, dander, dust, mold spores, and even smoke as the air passes through it. I'll show you how well the filtration system works. I filled this chamber with smoke. Watch what happens when I turn on the Magnesium RS. The vacuum not only has the power to clear the smoke out of the chamber, but the filtration technology to capture virtually all the tiny colored smoke particles. So even when you vacuum up particles as tiny as these, the Magnesium RS doesn't release them back into the air. They get trapped in the filtration bag, and when I open the case, you can even see it stayed clean. Smoke is captured in the 5 layers of the filtration bag. The filtration bag also features Oreck's patented SaniSeal system. The bag automatically closes upon disposal to keep all those particles inside when you throw it away. So there's no puff of dust and no messy cleanup. You get a fresh filtration bag after each disposal. And the Oreck Magnesium RS features 2 speed settings, so you can customize your clean for any floor type. It cleans exceptionally well on even the finest, most delicate floors without worry about damaging them. So you get proven Oreck performance on hard floors and carpet. Just look at how quickly it picks up all this debris like glitter, crumbs, and dirt with no problem. Plus, the floating nozzle automatically adjusts to your floor type, even the highest carpet pile, so there's no guesswork or manual adjustment needed. But what if you accidentally vacuum over something you shouldn't? The The Magnesium RS will automatically shut off to prevent a jam and to keep the long-lasting Adora Life belt intact. Plus, other convenient features like twin LED headlights for enhanced visibility, a long 30-foot cord, and premium edge brushes let you clean with the ultimate ease and effectiveness that Oreck is known for. And of course, your Magnesium RS is built to last with a 7-year warranty and 5 annual service tune-ups to keep your vacuum at peak performance for years. So if you're looking for an ultra-lightweight, upright vacuum that gives you optimal cleaning performance with easy cleanup, the Magnesium RS is for you. Don't forget to check out our full assortment of detailed cleaning tools and cleaning combo packages.